Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 4. Today is a very special episode.
Hi, guys. Today we are talking about family.
Family is the most important thing. Emma, do you have a big family?
Not really. I have a small family, but I have many photos.
Perfect. Let's look at your photos and practice English.
Great. This is a lesson for listening and vocabulary.
Who is this man, Emma?
This is my father. His name is Petro.
He looks kind. And is this your mother?
Yes, this is my mother. Her name is Elena.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one brother. His name is Ivan. He's younger than me.
I see. And who are these people?
Oh, these are my grandparents. This is my grandfather and my grandmother. They live in a small house.
Let's pause for some grammar. When we talk about family, we use words like my or his.
Exactly. These words show who the person belongs to. I, my father. You, your mother. He, his. His name is Petro. She, her. Her name is Elena.
And don't forget the plural. We, our family. They, their house.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. My sister. His brother. Her name. Our parents.
Emma, what about your family?
Well, my family is quite big. I have a wife and 2 daughters.
Oh, how old are your daughters?
Our daughters are 5 and 8 years old. Their names are Sophie and Lily.
Do you have any pets? Are they part of the family?
Yes, we have a dog. Its name is Buster.
Buster is a great name for a dog.
Yes, he is our best friend.
Let's review the family words. This is good for your reading and memory.
Repeat after us. Parents, father and mother. Siblings, brother and sister. Children, son and daughter. Grandparents, grandfather and grandmother. Husband and wife.
Take a moment. Think about your family. Who is your favorite relative? Emma, is your brother a student?
No, his student days are over. He is a doctor.
And your parents, are they retired?
My mother is a teacher and my father works in an office. Their jobs are very different.
That's interesting. My parents are retired. They travel a lot.
Lucky them.
Today, we practiced listening and learned about possessive adjectives.
Remember, his for a man, her for a woman, and their for a group.
Homework time. Tell us about one person in your family in the comments.
For example, my brother is a student. His name is Max.
We love reading your comments. It is great practice for your writing and reading.
Thank you for listening.
See you in episode 5. Bye-bye.